Hey, and Zed, Heat 2 was fantastic, or should I say Vantastic. Who have we got tonight? Let's have a look at them.
Yeah, Heat 2 was pretty exciting, but nowhere near as exciting as this next lot of cars. And we're starting off with a suburban van from 100 Proof Racing. At 100 grams, we've got Robert Fokker driving the Von Bourbon, and I really hope I got the pronunciation of that name right.
Next up, on the front line, the builder is Kaboom Machines. This is the paramedic van. It's a Hot Wheels. Don Boomershines behind the wheels, weighing 99 grams.
And from the land of ice hockey and maple syrup, we've got the A-Team. They've arrived in their shop van, driven by everyone's favourite Canadian, Crazy Canuck. Go Canada!
Up the back, we have another vehicle from 100 Proof Racing. Marty McFrance is behind the wheel. This is weighing 100 grams and the frickin' Morty van.
4 vans and 4 races. I really can't wait to see how this goes.
Looking forward to this race. NZ, let's get going. Heat 3, and we've seen some big hitters exit the competition early. Mind you, they do still have a couple of vans to race throughout the heats on Vantastic 2021.
And a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Robert Fokker from 100 Proof Racing, because he's off to the semis.
Also for Team 100 Proof Racing is frickin' Morty van. Marty McFrance going through. Wow. Team 100 Proof Racing really just laying down the foundation for this series.
There are some really good races there, but race 1 shows exactly how easily these aerodynamic beasts do tip over.
You've got to watch out for that turn 2.
Hey, if we go to race 2 and look at turn 2 there, just take a look at Crazy Canuck and Kaboom Machines. They set up the perfect synchronised drift around that corner, and that looked really impressive. In race 3, you got to give it to 100 Proof for getting the 1-2. But go back to turn 1 and just look at that awesome pass by Marty McFrance from the back to the front in one corner.
Oh yeah, man, that was a slick manoeuvre, and congratulations 100 Proof with 2 vans in this heat going through to the semis.
Even though the A-Team and Kaboom Machines are not going through to the semis with these vans, We've got to give them a round of applause for putting on an amazing show. Thanks, guys.
Thanks again, NZ. That's a wrap on Heat 3 in Vantastic. We will catch you on Heat 5 very soon.